Hello, welcome all of you back with our Restoration Memories channel. Today we continue with the program, Video Content Recovery Tutorial Details. A car metal Coca-Cola delivery truck. In a corner of a dusty warehouse, I found a Coca-Cola delivery truck. Bi-metal, a symbol of the 1930s. Rusty car body, peeling paint, and the light-up system that used to be bright for a while. Today only remains the broken power cord. Although old, it still carries the breath of the golden age. Coca-Cola is not just a drink. It's also a symbol of joy and youth. I decided to bring it back to the light. Literally speaking, a journey. Recovery officially begins. Small details like turning time back about a century ago. Remember to subscribe to the Restoration Memories channel. Detailed steps to restore it include: Step 1. Overall discovery and disassembly. So first we photograph the whole thing to keep the status quo. Then carefully remove each screw, each joint. Each detail's marked for easy refitting later. Because just wrong, if you do that, the car will lose its shape, its original. And in front of you, he's dismantling it step by step. Every part details of this car raw. Parts on the car are held together by metal joints. And it can also be mounted by two-headed studs. And this dismantling needs to be done slowly and carefully to avoid affecting the details of the car. It can break, directly affect the recovery process, as well as later assembly. Each part of the car is taken apart. The rust part closes evenly and is thick on the inside. Top car body. Looks like it's been there a long time. You can see that every detail is unraveling. He's working on the wheel right now. After having processed all the parts details, let's separate it. We'll move on. The second step, it's cleaning and removing the rust on the car body. Use an iron brush and a kind of rust removal solution. Dedicated. I scrubbed every deep rusty spot over the years. When the metal lit up on me, you can see the original beauty of this car gradually showing up. After coating it with a chemical, we will proceed. Use an object to scraping the paint part round. And this process happens in turn to the end of all the details of the car. The paint is scraped off slowly to partially expose bright white metal. It's a thick layer of steel, used to be the pride of the American steel industry. One by one, until the end of the chemical coating. And then we use a sandblaster to do that. Spray remove rust parts, the body and all other parts of the car. Note to all of you, this process must take place slowly and carefully. One by one, until the end of all the metal. After removing paint and rust parts, the thick steel is brown, has gradually come out in front of it. This recovery tutorial video content, you can also draw a lot. Many lessons. We can rely on that to restore the other cars. There's a lot of valuable lessons in video content. A journey to restoring old objects. Be as original as you. It's a journey to wake up the memory. How many kids in the 30s? More so when this car is finished. It can be a display item or a gift. It's a really amazing thing. In turn like that, process all parts with metal. Like this is a journey. It's a difficult journey. There must be patience to be able to complete. After processing the metal part, there's a thick layer of steel in front of me. We'll proceed through the steps. That Tuesday is to paint and finish the logo, as well as the rest of the details. I chose the classic paint. According to the typical formula of the Coca-Cola brand, the logo lettering white borders, the classic will be painstakingly ray-drawn, each line to keep up with the style of that period. But before painting, then we need to coat it with rust-proof paint first. Then use sandpaper to step by step remove the pieces so that the surface of the anti-rust paint is really smooth and glossy. And then we're going to paint over the basic characteristic paint, the most original of this car. Coca-Cola car. And take note with you. During the painting process, paint carefully. Hand painted one layer at a time. Each coat is 15 minutes apart to ensure it's really smooth and beautiful. When the painting process is finished, continue with the rest of the coat. Now I'm just using sandpaper to remove the rust on the wheel of the coat. This is the axle of the wheel. Get him. Beat freight. After leveling to remove the rust part, we'll proceed to the polishing phase to make it more polished. This process takes place in turn, up to all the parts. A small detail is being added by him. Cap Coca-Cola. This process is completely manual. Details like this, damaged over time. That's great. In front of all of you, these are the parts. Has been dealt with by him in the last period of time. All parts details. From old things, processed until gloss is really beautiful. We'll move on now. Fourth step, it's test assembly and finishing. Each metal part details. Installed in the original position. The parts of the wheel are being processed to fit together. Glossy and really beautiful. The wheels just kept coming together like that. That's great. A stitching handle to fix the wheel part. Now, in the process of assembling the parts details together, have to be really careful. Meticulous detail one by one, to avoid affecting the parts that we've dealt with. If this car is fully assembled, do you want to own it or not? Please help me leave a comment below. I think this will be a great car. It can be used as a gift or an object display in the family. It's amazing. He's fixing it. The engine is in front of the car. A battery. 2 batteries. This car looks pretty massive. Our car lights are being installed. You can see it works. How wonderful, isn't it? This is the part on the back. It helps us to put Coca-Cola bottles. A car carrying Coca-Cola to every house. And the stamps. It's glued to the top of this car. The most careful and wonderful way. And in a few minutes we'll see. How does this car come back to life? And of course he's got a can of Coke. This bottle will contain Coke. What's more amazing? When these little Coca-Cola bottles are like this, be shipped to everywhere in the country. It's really meticulous and wonderful. We have bottle caps that he's made. The final step is to install the Coca-Cola bottles, and we'll take it all the way. And what do you think about this journey? This is a great comparison between an old thing and a new thing. He has just recovered. I feel great. Awesome. And when the assembly is done, then we will conduct a test. Turn on the light. Red light reflects off the logo. Coca-Cola is vividly brilliant. It's like this car just came back from the past. The light of memory. This car is not just a collector's item. It's a piece of memory where the light, colors, and emotions blend. It reminds us that no matter how time fades, everything, true beauty can always be restored. It just takes a couple of hands and patience. A little love for the past. And what do you think about video content? This guide. If somewhere in your house is a warehouse, there's a car like this, immediately take it out and rely on video content. This guide. Let's do the restoration. And I promise you this. The journey of restoring a car will be one. It's really amazing. And what are you waiting for? Please immediately take it out and proceed based on the video. This is to restore. And remember one thing. Don't forget to subscribe to the Restoration Memories channel. For supporting us, thank you.